Alright, so I was on the highway last week and I got stuck in some standstill traffic and my leg died from holding my clutch the whole time and I'm too lazy to go to the gym. So what I did is I bought a short throw clutch stop for my clutch that's adjustable, so it just shortens the throw, and my leg wouldn't have died if I had this, so I bought this. It was fairly cheap. It has 3 little rubber washers that you can remove, so to adjust the throw. I'm gonna keep all of them because I want the ultimate short clutch so that I can shift quicker when I am driving, and then when I'm in traffic I don't have to die from holding my clutch all the way down. So let's go to the car and I'll show you how the clutch is right now. Alright, so this is without the clutch stop. I'm basically hitting my my mats when I go all the way down. You can see that little that divot right there for where it hits. So basically it doesn't have to hit all that far because the engagement point's like right there. Yeah, so let's install the short throw. Alright, so it's probably gonna be hard to see where, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see the clutch stop. But I can feel it. Okay, I caught the old one out, but I don't know where it went. I don't know how to put in the new one. So you can kind of see, yeah, you can see right there that the clutch stop's now installed. I had to drop this kick panel so you can see it. You can install it without removing it. I just thought it was a little bit easier, so it's just 3 T20 Torx. Where's my camera? Here, T20 Torx, and one of those push clips. Let me find where I put it. It is right here. The ones where you just pop the tab out. It's not even in focus, but whatever. Yeah, so I did that, dropped this down, and I just pushed it into that slot right there. So now it's installed. So I'm just gonna button this back up and show you the throw. So I lied, this clutch stop is not gonna stop you from going to the gym. You still have to go to the gym, go do leg day, but here's the throw. It's not touching the floor anymore, and it actually feels, even though it's not a significant, it's like a 1/2 inch, I would say, that it stops it, but this will definitely help with shifting for sure. You can see right there. Because it stops, it basically stops right at the engagement point, which is pretty nice. There's no dead space at the end. And you can still start the car. Oh. So there's no issues with that, it's still gonna start. So you know the clutch is getting fully engaged. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. I have a lot more mods planned for the car, so stay tuned. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.